Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Docs offline. Now for this, what you need to do is first open up your drive because your Google Docs is stored in your drive, right? As you can see right here. So I'll come here, type in drive, and what you need to do, come to the top right. You see this gear cog? This is your settings. So we're going to go ahead and access this and then click on settings right here. Once you click on this, click on settings. And then what I need you to do, guys, is just scroll down right here. And we're going to enable offline access. It's a very simple option. We just have to toggle it on. So you just scroll down right here. You see offline. And we're able to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs sheets and slide files on this device when offline. Okay, don't do this on your public or shared computers. Just toggle this one on. There you go. The offline functionality is being set up. And after this, you'll be able to use your Google Docs offline as well. Just give it a few more seconds until it sets up, right? And there you go. Really that easy and simple.